Good morning, students. Today, our lecture of the Venn diagram, which you studied in exercise 8.3. Right? There are two sets, set A and set B. Set A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13, while set B has 5, 9, 13, 17, 21, and 25. As you see, 5, 9, and 13 in a black colors. It means that 5, 9, and 13 are the both sets in both sets they are common, right? And this method, to write this method, is called tabular form. It is called tabular form. But today we have to solve a Venn diagram solution with the help of Venn diagram. So Venn diagram means that we should have to shaded our answer, and the set A and set B are shown with the help of these circle diagrams. The biggest set is the universal sets. In a universal set there are two sets, A and set B, and as I told you before, 5, 7, 9, 5, 9 and 13 are the common in the both sets. So this portion is common in both sets. So we have to write 5, 9 and 13. You can see that it is including in a set A and also including of set B, right? After that, the non-common element of set A which are remaining in A, so you have to write in this place, right? The non-common element which are not common in A, and so we have to write in a B. We will write it here. This is set A complete, the complete set A. What are the elements of complete set A? 3, 7, 11, and there is one element is also you have to write it here, 13. 13 is already written here, 5 is already here, and 9 is 6 element total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 elements here and 3 elements here. So we have written the complete 6 elements, and there are also 6 elements in set B. 5, 9, 13, 5, 9, 13, there is a common area, so common element we have to write in the common area, and this area is not a common, so we have to write it here, 17, 21 and 25, right? So what is the property we have to study? That the universal set is the biggest set. So in our first question, that is the commutative property of union, we have to apply on these two sets. This is the mathematical form of the commutative property. It means that A union B is equal to B union A. In a simple wording, I can explain like that one, like 3 multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by 3, answer is the same. It means that if the left and the right both sides have the same answer, you can say that the given numbers has the commutative property with respect to multiplication. But here we have to apply the commutative property on a sets, and what is the operation between them? Operation is union. You can see that A union B is equal to B union A. There are two sets, set A and set B. So set these are the common elements, these are the common elements, and these are the non-common elements of this one. And left hand side we have to prove the first. So according to left hand side, in a union you have to write all the elements of set A and all the elements of set B in union, but the common elements you have to write only single. That's why we have to write in a single time. 5, 9 and 13 we have to write single time in that place which is in the both areas, right? So this means that this red area, this red or the orange area is a complete, is our answer, A union B on the left hand side, because first is A, so first we write A, then B and union operation mean all the elements of set A and the B covered that one in a union. So this area is our answer. Universal set is the biggest set. Now we have to go on the right hand side, commutative property of intersection. So we are going to commutative property of intersection. There is little mistake because we have to write it here union, so you have to make it correction because this is a union, operation is union. So A union B is equal to B union A. So here we have to take right hand side, and what is the right hand side? B union A. So first we have to write B, then A, and the operation is the union. It means that again all the elements of set B and all the elements of set A cover that one, so that is the complete answer. The non-common and the common elements cover that one in the complete answer. And the right hand side and the left hand side, you can see that the both area of A and B fully shaded. It means that left hand side and the right hand side is the same. And again I repeat that one, there is a simple silly mistake, that is the intersection. It is not an intersection. Here you have to write a union. Okay, there is a union. Now commutative property of intersection. While we have to prove that commutative property of union, same way we have to prove that commutative property of intersection. That is the mathematical form. Commutative property of A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. And what is the procedure of intersection? In the procedure of intersection, we have to take only those elements which are common in the both sets. Which were common in the both sets? The elements, these are the non-common, 3, 7 and 11, and 7, 21 and 25. These are also non-common element which we have already solved. So which are the common element in the both sets? The common element in the both sets were 5, 9 and 13. 5, 9 and 13. So in intersection, our required answer is this gray one. Is our required answer is intersection, right? Union all portion cover, but intersection only the common element. So this is our required answer, which is common in the both set, which showing that one in the gray color, right? And red mark is also showing that one. Here we have to prove the left hand side. Here we have to prove that the left hand side, as I told you before, that the universal set is the biggest set which cover all the sets. That's why this U indicate the universal set. Now commutative property of intersection, but now we have to prove the right hand side of commutative property. For the right hand side, you can see that one, first set B, then set A. It means that universal set is the biggest set. Here we have to write the first set B and then after that set A. In the previous question, here we write set A and here set B, because same answer is the common element. So these are the common element portion is our answer, 5, 9 and 13. These are the non-common elements, and these are all the non-common elements of the set A. So but our answer is 5, 9 and 13. The common portion is our answer. So this shaded portion, which is in the gray color shaded portion, is our required answer. As you see that the previous one is also the portion is 5, 9, 13, and right hand side is also having the portion 5, 9, 13. The left and the right both have the same portion. So this is the commutative property of intersection. Good. Now A difference B. A difference B we have to solve with the help of Venn diagram. Mathematically we can write that A difference B like that. Means that the elements of A which are not present in B. In the previous diagram I will show you again the elements of set A which are not present in B. These are 3, 7 and 11. So that's why mathematically wrote it, this 3, 7 and 11 are those elements which are not present in set B. So this is our required answer. So how can we show that? With the help of Venn diagram. So this is the portion where we wrote that 3, 7 and 11. This is the portion, that is the same color portion, showing that one A minus B. Mean the elements of set A which are not present in B. These elements are 3, 7 and 11 are the elements of that one, right? And next one, 3, 7 and 11 are the elements which are not present in the set B. So this portion we have to shade it, and this is our answer with showing with the same color. That is, there is not element in our answer. Okay, you cannot write in any single element of set B, just you have to write only those elements of set A which are not present in B, which are not present. So which are not present? 3, 7 and 11. Good boy. You are. Now our next property is B difference A. How can we find B difference A? First of all, we will write in a mathematical form B difference A 17, 21 and 25 means those elements which are not present in A. Only just you have to write the elements of set B which are not present in A. So in the previous diagram you have already seen that one. I can just show you previous diagram. So like here you can see that one. A 3, 7 and 11 are in the A. So A difference B, only elements of A which are not present in B. So which element are not present in A? 17, 21 and 25 when we are taking B difference A. So our answer is B difference A is those elements which are not present in A. So there this portion is having those elements which are not present in A, 17, 21 and 25. Good. So this is our answer. This blue area is our answer. Arrow is showing that one blue area. So B difference A we will get like that. Now the next is A union A. A union mean combine. Union mean combination of the two sets. When there is one set, so what does it mean? Mathematically we can write A union A when combine is 1, so that is also 1. If you have 1 dirham in your pocket, so if I am saying that give me total amount, so in your all pockets you will check. If you have 1 dirham, so you will pay 1 dirham. So it's A union A is also answer A. So this is A, this green portion showing that one A union A, that is our answer, right? So another interesting question, what is the answer of A intersection A? Good. Think. Some students are saying correct, that is A intersection A is also A. Good boy and good students, boys and girls, they are all intelligent. Okay, go to the next. So that's why this portion is also same. It means that if there is a single set, so its union and its intersection is the same. So with the help of Venn diagram we can show like that one, right? So the shaded portion, this blue area is our answer. So another complement of A. Complement of A, what does it mean, complement of A? The meaning of complement of A mean U difference A. U difference A is giving us a complement of A. Here this A you can read at A dash or A complement, right? So it means that from universal set you should have to take out. What take out? Set A. So when we will take out set A, so this place will be vacant. So what is our answer? So which portion is our answer? Good. This yellow shaded area is our answer, right? Yellow shaded area is our answer. And after this our lecture is complete.